Welcome everyone. Today we're excited to show you how our Cognitus AI-powered solution for Cash Application transforms the way businesses handle payment advice files. Manual uploads and data extraction are not only time-consuming processes, but they're also quite error-prone and can be costly to organizations. Our platform automates the entire process using intelligent algorithms to extract, validate, and integrate payment data seamlessly. This isn't just about efficiency, which of course is quite critical. It's about accuracy, compliance, and freeing up your teams to focus on more strategic work. Let's dive in and see how it works. We've designed the application to be simple and intuitive, so there's really only a few steps that users need to take to be able to execute this process end to end. The first is to upload templates. So as you receive payment advice files from your customers or even from banks via transactions that we connect through APIs, you bring those templates into the system. This is the first part where the AI model will analyze the document, as you can see on the side here, and start to make a suggestion to how the fields and the mappings from the file need to map to your system fields. So here you can see that the keys are extracted both at the header and at the line item level. And there is the opportunity for business users or consultants or analysts to then review those mappings and make sure that the fields and their values that are coming from the file are in line with what you expect them to map to within your system, again, both at a header and a line item level. The next step in the process is to map those templates to your payers. We typically will interface these payers from an ERP system and then make those available in the application here so that you can see the payers and then map the templates to those payers. There can be a one-to-one relationship, or you can have multiple templates just depending on how many different types of documents you receive from any given payer. The last step in the process is to receive the payment advice files. This can happen in a couple different ways. If they're coming in as bank transactions and we have API connectors to those banks, they will automatically feed into the repository that we see here. We can also scan known email addresses or even portal environments to pull those payment advice files directly from and get them into this tool from an extraction perspective as well. And in the case where we might have manual uploads, we can still really facilitate and streamline the process by first finding the payer that we want to assign to, and then uploading the file from a payment advice perspective, downloading it from our local machine. We run through the process and you can see in just a matter of seconds that the document is queued and then can be fully extracted, where we can see the full outcome. Not only are we able to visually view the physical file itself, but we can also see the mapping fields and the values that have been extracted through that process as well. You can build workflow for review and processing directly in this tool, or if you choose, you can automatically interface this information to a downstream ERP or other related system. As you've just seen, automating payment advice file upload and extraction with AI isn't just a technology upgrade, it's a strategic advantage. By eliminating manual work, reducing errors, and accelerating the reconciliation process, companies can gain efficiencies, accuracy, and scalability. This is how finance teams stay agile and focused on growth. Ready to unlock that value in your organization? Let us know. Thank you.